Can this paint be saved, or do I need to throw it away? This paint has been properly stored in a climate-controlled basement. The only thing that's wrong with it is the paint has separated into its separate parts, pigments, liquids, and binders. You have two options. Every store you purchase paint from will reshake the can for you if you bring it back in. Or, if you have a paint mixing paddle and a strong drill, do it yourself. It just takes a lot of mixing. I don't know about you guys, but for some reason, watching paint be mixed is incredibly soothing.